Hi, and today we'll be going through how to set up a free cloud trial with Oracle. To set up a free cloud trial with Oracle, go to cloud.oracle.com, and up the top right corner you can press on the try it for free button. Once you have clicked on this, you'll be brought to a website for the sign up form. Here you will input your email address and your country. Once you're happy with these selections, you click next and you will go into your account setup. With this, you'll put in your account name. This will be the name of your cloud account, then your address and your phone number. Once you have clicked through all this and you put all your information in, you will have to verify your phone number with an SMS message. You will get this sent to you and you can input it into the field as you can see on the screen. Once you have done this, you can click next and you'll be brought to the credit card section. Once you're in the credit card section, you will have to put in your credit card number. This, please be aware, you will not be charged this. You will have a €1 holding fee, which is a temporary charge, just to verify it is a real person and a real card. Once you have this all set up, you'll click next, and you'll be brought to the landing screen to say your trial has been set up, and within about 10 to 15 minutes, you will receive an email with temporary password and credentials for you to sign into your cloud account and you can get started for free. Here's a little example of the dashboard you will land on once you sign in.